Hi, I'm Chef Duncan, Bangers and Balls.
And I'm Jodie from Bo's Bakery.
Right, so you've been pumpkin picking, is that right?
Yeah, me and the boys went pumpkin picking at the weekend. I've got 5 boys and they wanted a pumpkin each.
Fair enough.
So we've been busy carving, ready for Halloween and the trick-or-treaters.
Brilliant.
We can't wait. But what do we do with the insides of the pumpkin? I hate throwing it away, I hate waste.
Quite agree, yeah.
And our food bills go through the roof for 500 boys. So if I can save any money and use anything, I definitely will. So there's a great recipe for using the flesh of the pumpkin.
Brilliant. So what is it then?
We're going to be making pumpkin bread rolls.
That sounds fabulous. So take us through the ingredients.
So we've got plain flour. We've used 4 cups. And then we've got 3 cups of pumpkin puree. We've roasted this.
Yeah, roasted that. What temperature was that?
At 180.
180.
It took about 15 minutes, just till it's softened, enough to blend. And that's with salt, pepper and a bit of virgin olive oil. And then we have some more oil, some water, salt, pepper, mixed herbs and dried yeast. And we have a ball of string, but we'll explain that in a little while. That's a bit of a weird one.
It's not to be eaten. Right, so how do we do it?
So first is the flour.
Flour. Into here.
Mm-hmm.
With it. Yep.
Yeah, and then we've got a good sized pinch of our herbs and salt.
How that much?
Yeah, crazy as you like.
A
bit more
than that.
maybe.
Yeah, 2 pinches of that, not loads of it. Not that much. And a good pinch of salt.
A good pinch of salt.
And do we want some black pepper?
Yeah, with a few pinches of black pepper.
Are we gonna?
I'll get a grinder for you in just a second.
Well, we'll do that in a minute. And how much of
The
this?
yeast, we need a teaspoon of yeast. Or about half a tablespoon.
About that much?
A little bit more, I'd say.
Oh.
Make it really awkward for you. Lovely.
And then what goes in next?
And then we had our wet ingredients. The pumpkin, a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of water. If the mix is too dry, you simply add a bit more water. And if it's too wet, you simply add a little bit more flour until you get
the right consistency.
a non-sticky dough consistency. Put this out of the way.
Do I need the spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. So I do believe this is the right texture, consistency to knead now, is it?
That is perfect. Yeah, it's not too sticky. We've got a well-floured board as well, so it doesn't stick to it. We need to make 8 rolls from this. So they'll look quite small when you first separate them, but obviously the yeast will make them grow.
Brilliant.
So we'll do half each.
So what am I doing? Kneading it?
Yeah, we'll knead it and then put it into quarters. Make nice round balls, and then I'll show you how to make them pumpkin-y.
That's the exciting bit.
This is a great bit for the kids to do too.
And also, if you're annoyed with somebody, knead some bread.
It's for the mum and they're annoyed with
Yeah,
kids.
exactly. You really get your aggression.
There's no limit on what age. A 3-year-old could do it, or a 30-year-old can do it. It's fine.
So how do you know when it's done then?
I always think the best way to find out is if you push it away from you, it will start to spring itself back.
Ooh.
So it's got a bit of elasticity.
Bit like that then?
Lovely.
And then what do we do?
And we're going to separate it into 4 balls.
Fabulous.
They don't need to be too perfect or too even. I always find twisting it gives you a cleaner.
So like a Chinese
Right,
bird?
like a Chinese bun. Another way to get your stress out. So we've got 4 little balls. And we're going to just roll them in our hands so they're nice and round and pumpkin shaped. Another thing we've saved from the pumpkin, we've saved the seeds as well.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and we've got another recipe coming up
Brilliant.
on roasting them and to add a bit of flavour and they make a lovely snack, really healthy and really scrummy.
So what's going on? This is where we get the string
So, we've got
out.
our string out. And we're going to add our lines to our pumpkin. We're going to tie it round, and we'll get one piece. And just add, like we've got the lines in the pumpkins, we're going to add them on. We don't tie it too tight, so we need to give room to expand. But it's going to have to make the dents. So go around like that. And then we just tie it in a knot at the top. And then when the dough rises, it's going to rise around those, and then at the end we can just cut the string off. And we've got a lovely little pumpkin shape roll.
Right, so this is the pumpkin bread, which has been proving for about an hour.
Yeah, we've been with that for an hour now.
Yeah, they're looking pretty good. They've puffed up a bit, looking pumpkin-y.
You can see the pumpkin shapes forming now.
That's brilliant. So what are we going to do now?
We're going to pop these in the oven. They should take between 15 and 20 minutes, so they're not huge. They're only sort of palm-sized rolls. The best way to test if they're done is to lift them up, give it a tap on the bottom. If they sound hollow, then they should be cooked perfectly.
Oh, brilliant. And what temperature?
About 180.
180 for about 15-20 minutes.
About 15-20 minutes.
And yeah, so that's brilliant. We'll do that now. We'll see you in 15 or 20 minutes. Right, so the pumpkin bread has come out the oven.
It smells amazing, doesn't it?
It smells amazing. It looks amazing. Look, it really looks like little pumpkins.
I can't wait to try them.
Let's try them.
So first of all, we'll cut the string off. Now hopefully they'll get a nice pumpkin puffy shape.
Do you think? I
I
think
think
they
they're
have.
really cute. Now I think they look like pumpkins already, but as a little added extra, which you don't have to do, we've got a couple of sticks of cinnamon. We'll break a few little bits off, and we're just going to put them in the top. Obviously you can't eat these, they're just for look. But don't they look great when they're all finished?
They look fabulous.
They really do look like little pumpkins. Yeah.
Oh my word, you've just magically appeared.
I've got an extra taster.
Oh, do you?
Xanthê would like to try some of our pumpkin bread. Yes, Xanthê. Yum yum. It's really quite a homemade bread flavour, isn't it? It's quite a depth of flavour. It's nice.
What do you think, little one? You love it, don't you? Yum 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 in your tongue. Mmm.